Happy New Year. We got in the mail, we got the second This Book Might Explode, Volume 2. Alright. Unboxing.
Oh, so that's the one that was on Facebook.
Huh?
So that's the one that was on Facebook.
Boom. It's an exploding cat.
That weird. Exploding cat.
Are those like the guts inside the cat?
Ew.
I don't know. Oh, maybe. Whoa, look at that. All that stuff on the back. Okay, same thing. We got some promotional stuff. Some discounts for
More ticket and more
passes out to people
coupons.
so they can save money on the book. 5 postcards. Save some money, have them save money. Okay.
That's weird that the cat is exploding instead of the book.
Yeah. Yeah, this cat did explode. Volume 2. Okay. Can you help open that up maybe?
Why does corn dog look like that?
I don't know. These are like felt. That's cool. Felt versions of them. Okay, open it up. Let's check it out. You're gonna give us a little sneak a peek. This book might explode too. Whoa.
What's this? Ew.
What is that? A pizza?
No.
There's teeth. Okay. The contents. Corn dog. So as you can see, a little bit more activities, things that you can. This book comes with a free pack of printable pages. It includes all the book's coloring, cutting, drawing, and folding up pages, as well as bonus coloring pages. So just scan the QR code, which you could probably scan that maybe. I don't know.
I love it.
That's the creator of Plants vs. Zombies. Did you know that?
No, that's a different person. That's a child who drew that, I think.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it is. What does it say? Draw. Oh yeah. Okay, I think you're right. But this is, I think the story is from that guy. I don't know. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Just a sneak
There.
peek. More stuff for kids. See, look, you can submit your kids' drawings and your kids' stories, and they will make it in here. Unlike Lego Magazine. Yep, little stuff. That's cool. Gotta put some stuff in here, don't you?
There's somebody's corn.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, where did my magic corn dogs do?
Okay, we can't read the
Oh,
whole
how
thing.
will I find
Can't read the whole thing. We don't have time. No time. What's this story? We know this guy, don't we?
it? Service and time.
Read that name down there. What's that name?
Created and illustrated by Tim Moen. Written by Eric Branscombe. Colors by Greg Miller and David Carroll.
Aw, you know who that guy is? We know that guy.
Tim Moen.
Tim Moen.
I go to his drawing classes.
She has taken his drawing class here locally. He worked on DuckTales, the DuckTales reboot, about 10 years-ish or less ago. He worked on some Disney projects, animation. Now he is a Tennessee native, I guess. Let's go ahead and just flip through. Just sneak peek. Really cool character designer. Just sampling. All cool. Crack the code. That's cool stuff. We can do that.
Pup pet.
Another story. Fish can talk and always could. Okay.
Which is
Okay.
no.
Which is fictional. What do you mean fictional? I think it's real.
I said
It's a real fictional story. All right, that's our baby. All right, we're just here. I'm gonna help you out here. We're skipping and sampling.
Scambling.
We're scampling.
Scample.
We're scampling. Very fun, colorful stuff for your kids. Rich Werner, that's the guy who created Plants vs. Zombies.
Frankie, Silent Tale of Two Friends. What's this?
I think this is the cat on the front of the book.
Hmm.
Oh, that's like a little activity thing. Dumpling paper plushie. You can cut that out, stuff it full of stuffing,
And
then make it pop, I guess. Okay, more stuff. You gonna keep
just
going?
cutting
Keep flipping. Let's go. Let's go, man. No time. We gotta get through this quick. Flip and sample. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Cedric Hohnstadt. Illustrations to color in. That's good. You know who this guy is? He does a lot of cartoons for kids. He does some gospel tracks too. Did you know that? He's a really good gospel tract.
my fingers are stuck. Rootin', tootin', shootin'.
Stamp of corn dog.
Diaper.
Mm-hmm. Neat.
Ooh. Dr. Eggman. Okay, I think there's a rip-off of Dr. Eggman.
Looks like Dr. Eggman, doesn't he? Okay, keep going. Keep going. Nice. So that's volume 2. Pick it up or subscribe for a whole year, and you could use your discount, a 20% discount, if you have one of these coupon codes,
And there's
QR
the
codes.
exploding
Exploding
kitten.
World. So,
And there's the exploding kitten.
Exploding Kitten.
That's quite a sight.
All right, any last words?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. Happy New Year.
Bye.
Bye.